All right, so these details just coming in of how the Lok Sabha has been adjourned after there was a massive uproar over the Adani issue. Opposition MPs raising slogans, creating a ruckus on the floor of the House that led for Speaker Om Birla to have the House adjourned. In fact, the first day of the winter Parliament session that literally began a few minutes ago, but the House had to be adjourned due to ruckus in the Parliament. Let's take a look at that sequence of what happened.
सभा की कार्रवाई 12 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है। ओम शांति। ओम शांति।
All right, so you just heard from Speaker Om Birla as the House has been adjourned. Extremely disappointing while the country is waiting for constructive business to be held in the House during the very important winter Parliament session, where the key focus is primarily to be on the Waqf Amendment Bill. And if sources are to be believed, then even one nation, one poll, that will be a serious agenda. However, the lower house of the Parliament has been adjourned till 12 noon over slogans that were raised and massive ruckus on the floor of the House over the Adani issue. Let me cut across to Madhurima joining us from the newsroom with further details of what transpired on the floor of the House. Madhurima, as far as the Congress is concerned, as much as they are raking this issue over and over again, fact is that they are also cornered because their own alliance members have been calling them out of how in Congress-led states there have been major deals that have been struck with the Adani group. Is the opposition once again going to ensure that no constructive business happens by raising Adani slogans?
Well, Swesha, you've pointed out very rightly, because that seems to be the opposition's plain agenda to create disruptions and to stop business happening on the floor of the House. And remember, the Prime Minister just a couple of minutes back on his first address to the Parliament, where he says that people have taught lesson to those who have created constant disruptions inside the Parliament, and he requested all parties to come together and all hands on deck to make sure that the Parliament functions and the business happens. But yet again, Swesha, we saw that as soon as the Parliament began, the Lok Sabha took the chair. There was sloganeering, heavy sloganeering in the Parliament. It stalled for a moment when the Lok Sabha Speaker started announcing the names of those who were part of the Parliament and passed away in the last year. And as soon as the Lok Sabha Speaker was done with that list, once again, the Adani issue was raised by the opposition leaders, and because of that, the Lok Sabha Speaker adjourned the lower house till noon. So yet again, the House starts with disruptions. The only point the Prime Minister asserted upon his first speech, Swesha, that disruptions should not take place, and those who have disrupted the Parliament session time and again, the people have taught a lesson. But it seems like, it appears like that the opposition has not learned the lesson, and yet again the House, the crucial winter session, starts with disruptions.
Absolutely, Madhurima. The very message that Prime Minister Modi gave out this morning, where he not just called out the quote-unquote disruptors brigade, but said that the nation is watching every MP very carefully to what their actions are in the Parliament. Let's listen in to that key statement.